It's the 27th of July 2020. I think it's about 5, maybe 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's not too bad. It hasn't been a really hot day. I'm on the west side of the Oak Hickory Forest and looking at a pretty good sized mulberry. This is a red mulberry. The Latin name or species name is known as Morus rubra, the red mulberry. And I think it has a distinctive bark. So I want you to get your journals out and get ready to describe it, okay? So just like we did the post oak and the, the big black hickory, we're going to describe it in as technically as you can. So this is a red mulberry. Like I said, I'm on the west side, and I really don't see a whole lot of red mulberries, whether it's on the east or west. They're not real common, but I would say in, if not all cases, they represent the understory of the forest. I just read, um, I'll have to get the cite the source here later. I will. That they're shade tolerant. If you look over here on y'all see those eastern red cedars? They are just the opposite. They're shade intolerant. So based on that, let's go with I'm okay being underneath the canopy of a large tree like these post oak trees over here. So I'm shade tolerant, the eastern red cedar, shade intolerant. So I hope you're writing about this tree. It's a very nice red mulberry. I'm going to show you some leaves on the tree, and I want you to kind of take note. Those big old, almost heart-shaped leaves. That's a mulberry. Isn't that a beautiful picture? Most of them are not divided on these branches. I don't see what they call mittens. Look over here. Get away from that dead, dying one. Some of those are double mittened. So here's one with a single mitten. Here's another one. That was actually a double mitten, isn't it? So you got this single and then the double. And a combination. There's one without the mittens. Alright, so here's our location. I'm near our new entry. I'm noticing lichens on those plates. Well, that's pretty cool. It's 4:53 in the afternoon. Ouch. All right, so I think I have a little timer up there that says, it's telling me something, but I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. Let's go back to the good stuff here, the tree. All right, here's your leaf. And we got 4 leaves here, don't we? No submittance. The margins are lobed in some cases. Kind of coarsely toothed. They're kind of big toothed. There's 1 leaf per node or growing point. And if you look at an axillary bud, you can see that the blades are not divided. So we have simple blades, alternate leaf arrangement, and we have that morphology or that polymorphism in the leaves. What I'm saying there is some of them are with mittens and some of them lack mittens. Okay, let me turn this thing over to the abaxial surface. And I'll give you a little close-up. What really sticks out here is the palmate veins at the bottom. I think if you take a good picture of that in your mind and see the 3 radiating veins at the bottom, that's the palmate venation, like a palm. Something else that sticks out to me is the acuminate leaf tip. See that pinched in tip? So as I look through up into the leaves, maybe you can see that pinched in look. Rather broad leaf, acuminate leaf tips, somewhat of a cordate or heart-shaped leaf, shade tolerant. So I would say this is a nice understory tree. I think that works. And we have this distinct bark. Something that's we need to research. I read that the trees of this species, Morris River, can be dioecious or monoecious. Let me just say, I won't spell it, but dioecious means 2, dioecious house. So what that means, if they're dioecious, this could be a male with male flowers, and I could walk 50 feet in another direction, find another tree that could be a female. So 2 separate sexes. We have genders, so like we have male and female animals. Monoecious means we have imperfect flowers, both male and female flowers on different parts of the plant. So under one roof, monoecious, we have both male and female flowers. I'm not sure which one is, if they can be both or if it's just one. So we'll research that. Another thing I read, and I don't remember the source, you're still writing about your bark, aren't you?